Hi, Marilyn O'Malley here of MarilynO'Malley.com. And today I want to talk to you about living a higher dimensional experience. So, what is higher dimensional living? And what it has to do with is taking us from 3D to 5D. So, what's 3D? What's 5D? 3D is this dense, heavy energy that we're in, that a lot of us are in right now. It's all the competition. It's everyone for themselves. It's fear and hatred and discrimination, and it is competition. It's more of the survival energy. And the earth and the universe is, the vibration is raising, and everything is moving to a higher dimension. And so there are the reason we're seeing a lot of all of the ugliness that is happening right now, that's what I'll call it, all the muck that is rising to the surface, that is being exposed, is because the new energy is coming in. And some people would call that energy light, some people would call that energy love, some is just, it's a higher vibration, it's source energy coming in, and the vibration is wanting to be less dense, to be more loving. This is 5D is moving into more of the collaboration, more of the loving energy, more of the multi-dimensional energy, whereas 3D is push, work hard, you're make things happen in a way, whereas 5D, if you considered it, it would feel more of in a flow. You're more in a flow. You're using all of your senses. You're in your power, whereas 3D feels like you're not powerful. It feels like you have to push things. It feels like you're reacting to the world, rather than in 5D you are creating your world, or co-creating your world with the universal energies. So it's a completely different way of being in your life. And it is, as I've described, you can see that it takes a lot more effort to live in the 3D. And a lot of the unconsciousness is in the 3D. So this is where your habitual living is. This is where you're living unconsciously. You're living from your childhood programming. You're believing the lies about you, that you're not enough, that you're not worthy, that you're not smart enough, etc. All those things that keep you limited and small. Whereas moving into the 5D, you are seeing that you are worthy, that you are connected to everything. 3D, you feel separate. You feel you're against everybody. Or that it's competition, like it's me, nobody feels like me, nobody's like me, I feel alone, I feel unsupported. Where in 5D you realize you are connected to everyone, you are connected to the universe, you are connected to God, source, the quantum field, whatever you want to call it, and that we're all creating together, and that you have lots of support and lots of love to draw on. And so the difference also between 3D and 5D is that you have a true understanding, a clarity about who you are, and meaning who you truly are, as a spiritual being in a physical human body. And so in this process you will learn how to be in this physical body as a spiritual human being, because there are things that you need to do, that you need to be conscious of. So moving from 3D to 5D and higher dimensional living is becoming more conscious about what you're thinking about yourself, what you're feeling about yourself, what you're thinking and feeling about the world, and then making conscious choices about how you're going, what thoughts you're going to think, what feelings you want to be experiencing, and what is the world that you want to be creating, and then taking actions on all of those in order to manifest that, in order to create that. That it has to, everything starts inside. So there's a higher consciousness about your power to create your world. You are not reacting to your world in 5D. You are co-creating, and you're co-creating with everybody else, and you're co-creating from this place of truth about who you are as a spiritual being, who you are as a human being, and you're coming from the space of feeling. You're creating from empowerment, you're creating from love, you're creating from collaboration, you're creating from a space that you are safe to express who you are and what you need to, how you're going to help and serve in this world to help it make a better place. And so you feel your value, you know your worth, and you're spreading the love. And so this is how you are in the flow, right? Can you feel how if you are doing the things that you're called to do, you're using all your energies and feeling the support, having collaboration from other people, having collaboration from your guides and angels and the source and God, if you call it God, or the quantum field, having that information and using all of the things that are available to you, and having this sense of potential and possibility that anything is possible, then you will create a magical life. You will create a life that is in flow, and that is you connected to everything, that is in service. You will be living your mission, and you will find joy and happiness and fulfillment in that. So if you are a sensitive or a starseed who is looking to make this transition, this is my work. As I am an ascension guide, I'm a healer, and I'm here to help the sensitives and the starseeds learn how to be in their body, learn what their mission is or how to live their mission here, to help to bring the support, to help guide you, and so that you are clear about who you are here on earth and what it is that for you to be in your power, to know your power here, to remind you that you are a powerful being, that you have superpowers, and that you are here for a mission, and that mission is really important to you. That mission is that thing that you have felt since you were a little child, that you are here to do something big, and you have no idea what that is, or you might have an idea of what that is, and but you don't feel like you can accomplish that from the point of where you're at right now, because you are living in the 3D energy. You are living in that limited survival energy, and I want to move you into the flow, into the thriving, into the empowerment energy that is the truth of who you are. So I am starting a group class in September, on September 26th. I will give you the link below this video so that you can go and check out. All the information will be there. Feel free to contact me if you have any more discussions or questions. And if you would like a free discovery session to see whether this is something right for you, give me a call and we'll set up a free 60-minute discovery session. And also that and it explains everything that you will do there. So if you want to work with a group of other like-minded sensitives and starseeds, then come on board, go and visit the site, ask me questions, and sign up. Or if you can work with me one-on-one. It's your choice. Anyway, I look forward to guiding you and being a support to you in whatever way is possible. And I wish for you to know who you truly are, to know the love that you are, to know that the value that you bring to this world, and the light. You know, you realize you are a brilliant light, and but as sensitives and starseeds, sometimes it doesn't feel comfortable to be in our bodies, and we shrink our light. And I want to support you in shining your light brightly. So until we meet again, love, live, and matter.